hard at work at Racer's Choice.
He's doing inventory.
Working on
Jason! What could we do to him? What can we do to him?
Working hard. Ow!
Ow. That's so typical. You don't touch him. Oh! Hello.
And here we are at Racer's Choice, that Fortune 500 minus
The
company.
star motocross racer working here.
Hey, where'd all my cookies go? And here we are at the $1 million inventory. Your assortment of all kinds of gear. Ryan is introducing our new line in head protective gear. Yay, Ryan! Oh, a paying customer's call. As we listen to Debbie Matthews picking up the phone. What is this? The storage of the #1 vet motocross machine. Whoa! And oh, look who we bumped into. The #1 vet herself. Yes, in her glory. Typical race fashion. Notice the professional image she portrays. Yes, sirree. And there is her sidekick, Crash. Why do they call him Crash?
Tabletop Taylor.
Tabletop Taylor, huh?
MX.
All right. And as you can notice, another busy day at Racer's Choice. Booming. So tell us, what is a child's...
Secret.
Oh, the child is hiding. Where is she? Let's see your abused face. Whoa, look at that shiner.
Here we go. Let's put the two eyes together. Oh my goodness!
Oh, let's see. Let's have a close-up.
Here, turn around. He wants to see our
Look at
shiners.
those two eyes, Mommy. Oh, look at that. A pair of twins.
Hi.
Abused by her little brother.
No, abused by her babysitter.
There he is, the up-and-coming
Jeez.
Ricky J.
Ricky J.
Whoa, you're losing your helmet there, guy.
No problem. I'll just get another one. Sponsors come cheap.
There goes Heather. And zoom in on Mommy. Faking work. Look at this.
Shut up.
Yes. We are busy. Vroom, vroom. Wave, Ryan.
You know, we only have one nuclear t-shirt left.
Say, you're #1.
Really? Shoot, they showed.
To look for. Look over your shoulder.
Oh, the light.
Yeah.
That's Ryan.
Wow!
Don't get too excited.
You
Dude.
got clipped.
What?
And there's Heather Matthews, racing in her mommy's footsteps. Do a one-hander.
Yeah.
No, that's the throttle side. You never take that off. It's the other side you use. There you go. Stick a foot out. Oh, 2 feet. Whoa, daring. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh.
I want a t-shirt.
Yeah, well, we're zooming in on it just for you.
Yeah, that was Mommy when I first met her. That was before Mommy was a mommy.
Oh. Before Mommy was a mommy. Oh, picking your nose on camera, too. That's nice. Jason, what are you doing?
Might as well get commercial ads.
I'm taking inventory.
Oh, there's a little girl. Where'd she go? Oh, Ryan's in the candy again.
And here we have a new product
Yeah, I wanted
from
to do
Matthews and
these.
Son. Wait. Here. Matthews and Son Moto puzzle. This happens to be the novice model. Of course, they all separate very easily.
Onto the ground.
Custom. And they go back together.
From the
with a
back.
little practice.
With a little practice.
Easy to put together. Even a 2-year-old could do it. This one doesn't go back together. I like this desert one.
This is.
Why didn't they get that? Why didn't Hackman get that for a stocking stuffer? What are you doing?
Trying to shoot some of your puzzles.
You're burning footage.
Yep. You'll probably cover it up anyway.
Yeah. Hi, Mommy.
Oh, don't be doing that. I saw that. There's that face I married. As to why, I'm not sure yet. Don't make the photographer laugh.
It's an earthquake.
My dream.
Yeah, typical racist choice
Reality.
employee.
It's reality.
Yeah, sitting around on the job getting paid for it.
That's the
I'm
only way.
done.
Oh, you know, I guess we should edit this particular section because the fire marshals will be able to see the sports gas in the background.
Got a match? Illegal substance. Don't worry, Jason's gonna take care of that.
Jason just likes that #1 plate.
Yeah.
He says
No.
someday it'll be his.
No. He just likes it because it's on a stand and he can't crash when it's not moving.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, there's Monkey Lady. Oh, there she is. I got her with her new necklace. Are you showing your underwear, Ryan?
Yeah, on the back.
Sit down on the bike and ride it. Go vroom vroom. Go on, ride it. Go sideways. Do jumps. Go up and down and all around. There you go. All right. There's the face of a future motocross champion. Yes. Yes, you, Ryan Matthews. Vroom for the initials. You're jumping.
I'm balancing myself.
And behind him is the face of a future women's motocross champion, Heather Crash Matthews.
Mommy,
What?
I'm getting balancing.
You're balancing? Well, you're just too good.
I want to. Without even holding.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye. I want you to wave as I pan it back.
Bye.
Say later, dudes.